myself.
Go. New cubic. Time for math. Cubic, shuffle, step, shuffle. Cubic, shuffle, step, shuffle.
Down, shift it down, shift it down. Up, shift it up, shift it up. Negative, shifts it down, shifts it down. Positive, shifts it up, shifts it up.
They say I'm a teacher and I say no. They say what you're doing trying to solve some functions. Just let these functions come from the source. All my people can ace this math course. Brand new graph, you gotta move your pencil. Brand new graph, it's called the cubic shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, shift the graph. To the right, to the left, shift the graph to the left. Now flip, now flip, now flip, now flip. Now do it by yourself, now do it by yourself.
Solve with 0 for y to get your x-intercept. For yx must equal 0 to find the next intercept. Now it's gonna get tricky for the x-intercept in step, as it must include the infinite numerical set of numbers between the two whole numbers on the x. Cubic always has continuity, but step must stop and rest. Neither one has a minimum or maximum set. Not the cubic function, nor the step, nor the step.
To the right, shift the graph. To the right, to the left, shift the graph to the left. Now flip, now flip, now flip, now flip. Now do it by yourself, now do it by yourself. To the right, shift the graph. To the right, to the left, shift the graph to the left. Now flip, now flip, now flip, now flip. Now do it by yourself, now do it by yourself. Negative means move it to the right. Parentheses equals opposite signs. When there's a positive sign in sight, gotta move it to the left every time.
All rows is for range and domain, but steps is code numbers for their range, As x increases, the graph goes negative, and when it decreases, y shoots positive. That's only for cubic and behavior. Steps next to don't let your attention waver. As x increases, the graph goes positive, and when it decreases, y shoots negative.
To the right, shift the graph to the right, to the left, shift the graph to the left. Now flip, now come on graph flip, now do it by yourself, To the right, shift the graph to the right, to the left, shift the graph to the left. Now flip, now do it by yourself, and do the cubic shuffle, do the cubic shuffle. It's your team C, you be the I, the C. It's the math on the graph, got another function B.
Symmetry. Found when you rotate the center point about, and in step graphs there aren't any. Then when the cubic graph you can find it out. Step function has no decrease or increase. In cubics, all about the infinite decrease. Greatest integer function is aka step. Now you're all prepared to pass this math test.